Hi, scholars. So today for math, we are going to start out with some math fluency, just like we would in our classroom. It's one of the first things that we would do in the morning, and so this is how we're going to start our math lesson. We also practiced yesterday on our Zoom meeting, and so what you're going to do is on your whiteboards or a piece of paper, you are going to answer these questions as quick as you can and by yourself. Okay, if you need a little bit of help and you have a question, of course, that's fine. But your job is to do the very best you can on your own. And so you can see at the first one, you're seeing it's 2 plus something equals 10. And we're trying to figure out, if I start out with 2, how many more do I need to make 10? And then also the rest of the problems are kind of flippity-flop lollipopped. So you can see that we're like, what number plus 8 equals 10? If I already have 8, how many more do I need? Okay, scholars? So now your job is to do the very best you can. You can pause the video and do your questions super quick, okay? And when you're done, just come back and let's watch the rest of the video and do our lesson, okay? Perfect. Okay, thanks for getting that done, scholars. So your job is to now learn a little bit about triangles. And Mrs. D wants to show you our lesson. So you can see that our lesson is number 14.4, and it's about triangles. And we are going to look at that part with the picture of the lips, and that's going to tell us our academic words. So, how can I tell that these shapes have triangles in them? I can tell with our two words that are our academic words, sides and corners. So if you look at that pink triangle, you can see that it has 1, 2, 3 sides. If you look at the corners, the part where the edges come together, I can see that it has 1, 2, 3 corners. So I know that that shape is a triangle. When you look at my kite, I can see 4 triangles inside of my kite picture, and I wanted to show that to you because we can see that you can find triangles in real life objects. So if you remember our poster that we looked at yesterday a little bit, scholars, you can see that the red line here shows us what sides are. It's that, again, that edge on the outside that makes the shape look how it does. So we can count and see 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Points or corners, same thing. Points and corners mean the same thing. It's where 2 edges come together and touch, where the little red dots are. 1, 2, 3. It must be a triangle. Okay, so let's see what Rainbow Fish has to say about triangles today.
Look at the picture. What shape is Lynn tracing?
What is that called again, scholars? What are we learning about?
Lynn is tracing a triangle. How do you know?
That's right.
It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Look at the picture. What do you see? Lynn is holding a cracker. What shape is the cracker?
So scholars, if we want to find out what shape it is, count how many sides and how many corners.
The cracker is a triangle. How are a rectangle and a triangle different?
Remember to look at the sides and the corners, scholars. I think that might be our clue.
A triangle has 3 sides, and a rectangle has 4 sides. Look at the picture. What do you see? There is a boat with 2 sails. What shape are the sails? How do you know?
So scholars, how do we know that those sails have triangle shapes? How do we know that?
The sails are both triangles. Each sail has 3 sides. a triangle and a circle different?
Does a circle have any corners, scholars?
A triangle has 3 straight sides, and a circle is round. Look at the picture. What do you see?
So we know that a circle is round and has no corners, and a triangle has 3 corners.
There's a napkin. What shape is the napkin? The napkin is a triangle. How are all triangles the same?
Do you remember? What do triangles all have?
They all have 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Now you know how to identify triangles.
Great job, scholars. So now your job is to go to your black workbook and find the pages for lesson 14.4. You're going to trace the triangles, and you're going to find any triangles when they're mixed in with other shapes, and you're going to mark them with a green crayon. And then you're going to find, your last thing is to find one thing in your home that is a triangle and share it with Mrs. Chin and I on Seesaw. We can't wait to see your examples, and we'll talk to you soon, scholars. Have a great day.